So today I'm unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the color graphite. I'm upgrading from the iPhone 6s Plus to this phone and I'm super excited to finally have a new phone. I've had my other iPhone for around 4 years now, and I think last year December I dropped it and it cracked my screen, so I was really in need of a new phone and I'm glad that I chose this one. And the reason why I chose the Pro Max is because I like bigger phones. I feel like my hands are pretty big, so I like the bigger sizes, and also I wanted the better camera quality, so I chose the Pro instead of the normal ones, and I'm glad I made this choice. I'm super happy with it. So I actually wanted to order the iPhone in Pacific Blue, but I ended up going for graphite instead because I feel like the black is a lot more timeless and the blue was probably something that I would get sick of after having it for a little while, so I'm super happy that I went for graphite instead. So the new iPhone comes with a Lightning to USB-C, which is for me not really a problem because my iPad also has the USB-C adapter, so I can just use that for both. I also got a screen protector for my iPhone because it's better to be safe than sorry. These iPhones are not cheap, so I'd like to protect it at all costs. I saw someone on YouTube use this protector as well, and it came with this very easy guided frame, if I may call it like that. It's very easy. You just put the frame on top of your phone and it will place the screen protector right where it should be, which is a lot easier than trying to eyeball if your screen protector is gonna come on the phone correctly. And it was very easy to use for me, so I'm happy that I got this one, and also I feel like I will use this again every time from now on if I ever need to place a screen protector, honestly. And this pack also came with two, so I have one for later if this one ends up breaking or something, which let's hope it will not. Yeah, so there's just a few steps that you have to take. It's very easy, honestly, and of course there will be links down below in the description box if you guys want to check out the same things. This is not sponsored at all. I just searched this up on the internet and I got it. So yeah. So a few reasons why I'm happy to upgrade from my current iPhone, which is a very old one, to this new one is that, of course, my camera quality will be so much better. I am a content creator, so camera quality is everything to me, and it was about time that it got better and I stopped posting blurry photos on my Instagram. And another reason is that this iPhone has dual SIM, which I didn't have in my iPhone 6s Plus, and that's very handy for me because I recently started a full-time job and currently I have two phones. One is for work and one is for private, but I can combine these two in this phone with the dual SIM, so I'm super happy to have this functionality. The newer iPhones are also water resistant, which mine wasn't, so I also don't really have to care about that anymore, which is nice. And I don't know, it's just nice to have a new phone now, finally. It feels so luxurious, I feel so bougie, I'm super happy with it. And I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna use this one for a long time as well. Nowadays iPhones get so well made that you don't really need to upgrade every year. So I also got a phone case for my phone because I want to protect my phone, and I feel like the design that I got is very cute. It has a mirror on the back, and I ordered it from a local brand so I could receive it fast so I can put it on my phone right away because sometimes it can take too long and I want to protect my phone ASAP. So I got this phone case. I would not really recommend it because I feel like there are some things on this case on the sides that makes it hard for me to push the buttons, and it also feels like it's a little bit too loose on the side, so I'm probably gonna search for a new phone case. But other than that, the design is very cute, so if you don't really care about protection that much and you just want a cute case, then go for it. Other than that, yeah, it's okay price quality wise. So here I did a little camera comparison, and of course the new phone is a lot better in quality. I also love the wide angle lens. I feel like I'm gonna make a lot of really nice content with that. And also, as you can see, the front camera from my old phone, it had a crack in it, so it's blurry, it's super blurry. So I'm super happy that I finally have a new phone with a working front camera that isn't like so blurry. And this is already the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and thank you for taking your time to watch this. I hope to see you in my other videos as well. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!